What's up, guys? Ever had a car issue and suspected the relay but had no easy way to test it? That can be frustrating. On Best Product, we are checking out one of the best car relay tester tools that makes relay diagnostics quick and simple, a smart and practical relay testing device for automotive work. Let's get started. Here we have the Aneng RT01 car relay tester. This compact tool is designed to quickly determine whether your automotive relay is working properly or not. Instead of guessing or swapping parts back and forth, the Aneng RT01 car relay tester gives you a clear answer in just a few steps. The first thing to know is that the Aneng RT01 works with most general-purpose relays available on the market. That makes it very versatile. You do not need a different tester for every relay type. As long as the relay falls within common standards, this device can handle it. It connects directly to your car battery and operates within a voltage range between 11 volts and 25 volts. That wide range gives it flexibility across different vehicles and setups. Using the Aneng RT01 car relay tester is straightforward. You start by attaching the alligator clips to the car battery. The black clip goes on the negative terminal and the red clip goes on the positive terminal. Once connected, a red LED lights up to show the tester is powered and ready. This simple visual signal lets you know you can move on to the next step without confusion. After that, you select the correct socket for your relay type. The tester supports both 4-foot and 5-foot relay configurations, and it provides 3 available sockets. This makes it easier to match the relay properly and ensures accurate contact during testing. Once the relay is inserted, you press the test button. From there, the Aneng RT01 takes over. One of the smartest features of this device is its automatic pin detection. It identifies the relay's pin configuration by itself. You do not need to manually figure out which pin does what. If the relay is damaged or does not match standard specifications, the red LED will light up to alert you. This saves time and reduces the risk of wiring mistakes. But the Aneng RT01 car relay tester does more than just basic detection. After identifying the pin configuration, it cycles the relay 10 times. During this process, it measures the action release time. In simple terms, it checks how quickly and consistently the relay switches on and off. If the release time is too slow or outside acceptable limits, the red LED will signal a problem. This deeper level of testing helps you catch issues that might not show up in a simple one-time check. Once the cycling stage is complete, the tester evaluates the overall consistency of the relay. If everything performs within normal limits, the green LED lights up. That green light is your confirmation that the relay is functioning properly. If there is any failure during the process, the red LED activates instead. The clear color-coded indicators make it very easy to understand the results at a glance. When the test is finished, you simply remove the relay and disconnect the alligator clips from the battery. The entire process is quick and efficient. The Aneng RT01 car relay tester is built to reduce guesswork and make automotive maintenance more precise. In terms of design, the device is compact and practical. The layout of the sockets and button is simple, and the LED indicators are easy to see. Everything feels designed for clarity and ease of use. You do not need advanced technical knowledge to operate it, which makes it accessible while still offering detailed testing functions. What makes the Aneng RT01 car relay tester stand out is how it combines automatic detection, multiple testing stages, voltage compatibility from 11 volts to 25 volts, 10-cycle action testing, and clear LED feedback in one compact tool. It turns what used to be a trial and error process into a fast and reliable check. Want to make car diagnostics easier? Check the price link in the description and see if the Aneng RT01 car relay tester fits your toolkit. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more helpful product videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.